Okay, solid multi-step equations. Okay, so this looks very much like what you had before. Okay, we're doing the same type of stuff here. Okay. So let's take a look at the worksheet. Okay, look at number 2. Okay. Now, a couple other things, combined like terms. Okay, that's going to be additional on there. So we talked about that yesterday at the end of worksheet 1. So combining like terms will get you multi-step. Okay. Getting variables on the same side. Alright, so you'll see variables on the same side, or on both sides now. So getting them on one side, and then, well, multiply and divide the same as the other was. Okay. So let's take a look at number 2 on your worksheet. So we have parentheses. We have variables in the parentheses. Okay. Again, if you can solve them, solve them. I cannot solve x plus 3. I don't know what x is. Okay. So to get rid of parentheses, we're going to use that distributive property. So I'm going to take the 2, multiply it in. Okay? So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. Same thing on the right side. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Okay? So now you can see I have variables on both sides. I would recommend moving and getting the variables on one side first. Okay? You don't have to, but I would recommend it. It may save you a step down the road. Okay? So again, I tend to move the smaller one. Doesn't really matter which one you move. I'm going to move the 2x by subtracting 2x. Okay. If you don't move the smaller one, you just may end up with a negative number. It's okay. So 2x minus 2x is 0, so 6 comes down. 3x minus 2x is 1x minus 9. So now you need to get rid of the minus 9 by adding 9 to both sides. So 15 equals my x. Again, you can easily take that 15, plug it back in, your calculator, 2 parentheses, 15 plus 3, close parentheses, hit enter. Make sure it matches with the other side. Okay, to double check that solution. Okay. So, parentheses, using that distributive property to get rid of them. So here we really only have, this is really only a 2-step equation. Okay, so just because that v is up top doesn't change much. Okay, I'll show you here. We can rewrite it, okay, just like we had on the other one. I could rewrite it as saying 15 over 8v. With the v being in top, you can put it out to the side if you want, okay? Plus 7 equals 37. So these two are the same. So it doesn't matter if the v's, as long as the v's in the top. Okay, if the v's in the bottom, that's different. So if the v's in the top, it doesn't matter if it's written up top or if it's beside it. Okay? So this is really only a 2-step equation here. So let's get rid of that addition subtraction first. So we're going to subtract 7. So 15 over 8. V 7's give me 0. 37 minus 7 is 30. Okay? Now, who remembers how to get rid of that fraction? Yep. And what do we do with that fraction? Yeah, flip it upside down, right? So 8 over 15, when we multiply now. So 8's cancel with each other, 15's cancel with each other. So I'm left with just a 1v. Okay. Now again, big numbers here. Simplify if you can. Okay, top to bottom. So is there a number on top or a number on the bottom that goes into each other? 15. So 15 goes into 30 how many times? Twice, right? 15 times 2 is 30. So these 15s cancel with each other. And all I have left is 2 times 8. So 2 times 8 is 16, and I'm done. Okay, now, you can multiply 30 times 8, get 240, divided by 15, you get 16, okay? Either one, that's fine. All right, number 6. Take a look at number 6. So again, parentheses. So we need to do what? Distribute. So let's distribute this in. So 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. Bring down my minus 5. Be careful here, okay? This negative goes with 2. Take it with it when you distribute, okay? So take that negative with it. So negative 2 times x, negative 2x, negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6. Okay, this is where people make the mistake. Okay, the first one's okay. It's the second one. Alright? Now, combine like terms. On the left, I don't have any. Okay, so I can rewrite if I want. But on the right, I have a negative 5 and a positive 6, which makes a positive 1. Okay? So let's get our variables on the same side. Again, I like to move that smaller one. So we're going to add 2x. So 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 6. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. And that equals my 1. So let's get our constants, our numbers on the right side now. So we're going to subtract that 6 to get rid of the addition. So 5x, 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 plus 6, 7. And then the last step, divide by 5. And x equals, again. Oh, I'm sorry, we did subtract the 6. Thank you. Nope, you're good. Thank you. So we subtract the 6. Sorry, subtract the 6, thank you. Gives me a negative 5. And now it's going to give us a better value anyway. Negative 5 divided by 5 gives me a negative 1. Good. Again, if you see a mistake up here, don't be afraid to shout it out. Okay? One more. Number 12. Right, number 12. Now, here's big fraction, multiple things going on up top. Okay? This is going to be more than 2 steps. This is a little different than the one we saw earlier. Okay? So, to get these big fractions, get this fraction by itself. Okay? So I want to get that part by itself first. To do that, I'm going to get rid of that minus 8 by adding 8. Right? So I have the 5y minus 7 over 4. 8 minus 8 is 0. And then 4 plus 8 gives me 12. Okay. Now I can deal with the fraction. So in this problem, I want to get this part with the y by itself here. Okay, so I want to isolate this top part here. So to do that, this is all being divided by 4. So we're going to multiply that by 4. Right? Does everybody see that? So multiplying there by 4. So these 4's give me a 1. I'm left with just the top, 5y minus 7. 12 times 4, 48. Okay. Now we have that 2-step equation that we did yesterday. So we can get rid of that subtraction here by adding 7. So 5y, negative 7 plus 7, 0. 48 plus 7, 55. We'll divide them by 5. And y equals 11. Very good. So again, you can take these and plug them back in. Make sure you get them all right if you want to. Okay, that's up to you. But that's your multi-step equations. Okay. So yeah, the rest of the worksheet in class here, I think you get most of it finished. Okay. It's due tomorrow.